Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Kohl's gift card online. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To redeem Kohl's gift card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.kohls.com. Then here you'll be taken to Kohl's website. Now first make sure that you are signed into your account. After signing in, scroll down and choose the category of product that you are purchasing. After searching for the category, here you can see various of products. Click on any product that you want to purchase. After clicking on the product, you can see the product description. Now select your size and preference. After selecting, scroll down and click on Add to Cart. Then here you can see the item added to the cart. Then on the downside you can see View Cart and Checkout. Click on View Cart and Checkout. Then you'll be guided to checkout page. Then on the right side you can see all the cost. On the downside you can see the option of Proceed to Checkout. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Then on the left side you can see the option of Gift Card. Click on Add Gift Card on the side of Gift Card. With that, here you need to first enter your gift card number. Make sure you check your gift card and enter the correct gift card number present in your gift card. With that, enter the correct PIN of your gift card. After entering your gift card number and PIN, then click on Add Gift Card. With that, you'll be able to add your gift card and make payment with the help of gift card. This is how we can redeem Kohl's gift card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.